Hi. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be having other videos coming from home, but I'm not going to be with my mom because she's next door, and we're all going to stay, in our different places, socially isolated, social distancing, until we can be together again. But in honor of my mom, today my family made her favorite dish, which is the sweet potato bowl. It is so quick and so easy, and you can make it with your family. And over the next few weeks, we're going to, like I said, hopefully be making different little videos that you can make with your family to keep everyone eating plant-based and healthy. See you soon.
Hi, Brian Hart from the Esselstyn Foundation.
And I'm Jane Esselstyn.
And we're here today to give you a quick cooking lesson on quick meals that you can make, especially during this time when everybody's home. An article that I put up online mentioned a really basic meal, and we thought, why don't we just make it and show everybody? So here you go. We're basically making a sweet potato based bean lunch meal. It could be used for dinner too, but it's a really great way to, and people often say to us, we don't have time to cook plant-based. It takes too much time. You have so much prep. Well, here's a great example of how you really don't have to prep very much at all. So I'm going to go through the ingredients, then we'll make it, and then if anybody has any questions, just put them down below. What do you think, Jane?
Go. That's great.
All right. So we have one sweet potato that we microwave for 5 minutes. Just a basic, not even a very nice looking sweet potato.
If it was bigger, I'd go to 8 minutes, not much more. But like this one, definitely 5. This is small enough. 5
minutes in the microwave, and then we just gathered a bunch of ingredients, a bunch of things. So we have just basic lettuce, basic spinach. Any sort of green will work. Spinach is our favorite, one of our favorites, other than arugula too. I have frozen corn.
Chopped kale would be good.
Chopped kale would be good. We have frozen corn, frozen mangoes, one of our favorite salsas, which is a green tomatilla salsa, can of black beans, reduced sodium black beans, if you can get those, that's the best. And we have a little bit of cilantro if you like cilantro. Some people don't. Some people think it tastes like soap, but we like it.
And this is fresh right now, so we want to use everything that we have that's fresh, because fresh is best.
So this meal can be put together probably in would be under $4. I think it's probably a lot less than that, but I'm just sort of rounding it up. But here we go. It's just a basic one. Take the sweet potato. We're just going to slice it down the middle.
Should I open the beans?
Open it up. Yep. Crack the beans.
And you can rinse them under hot water if you want to just use them when they're warm, or if you don't mind using the microwave, you can, once you drain and rinse them, you can put them in the microwave.
Got a strainer, gonna rinse them for a quick second.
Because hot water, if you have hot enough water, it does make the beans warm. Again, if you're looking for a quick meal. The sweet potato's hot, the beans will be warm, and they're good to go.
So all I'm doing is rinsing the beans in warm water just to take a little bit of the chill off them. You don't even need to do that. If it's a cold winter day, you might want to do that. We're gonna dump some beans on the top. Then I tend to like to take some greens, I rip them up a little bit. I don't mind the stems. Sometimes Jane pulls the stems out. She doesn't like the stems at all. Doesn't think they're as palatable.
Arugula, I like everything about it.
Little frozen corn, frozen mango, which, as Ann Esselstyn always says, always spices everything up. She loves. And frozen mango, all I did was run this under warm water and just take a little bit of the chill off it. But it happens to be a pretty decent day in Cleveland today. It's about a little over in the 50s. It's sunny, so something that's cold is not so bad. A little bit of green salsa. This has been previously washed, but sometimes just a little bit of cilantro. I'd probably put a little bit more on there.
If you don't love cilantro, you can always try basil, or you could put some I can't think of parsley. And I actually just went to our garden, and we have this fresh oregano too. This is lemon zest, which makes it taste like a bite of sunshine.
That's the part that really makes it zing, is lemon zest, and then we're going.
Put some fresh oregano, just because I was raking our yard and all of our, or maybe this is English thyme.
I think it's oregano. It's oregano.
But it just tastes like something alive.
Then half a lime. Just going to squeeze all that great lime juice on top. And there you have it. That took us probably, a minute and a half to make, and it is incredibly nutrient dense, something everybody can make, and it'll win over even people that don't necessarily want to be plant-based in your family that might want to give it a try. So
is it my lunch or is it your lunch?
It's your lunch.
Oh.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.